Welcome to Ask the Expert, brought to you by the Quinton Insurance Protection Team. Get your free no-obligation quote now at QUINTONINSURANCE.com or call 1-800-454-1970. I'm Rick Quinton and pleased to be joined by the president of Quinton Insurance, Gordon Quinton, who each week will answer your questions relating to insurance. Our first question this week is from Glenn in New York and deals with DWIs. And he asks, if you're convicted of a DWI, will you lose your insurance?
Well, Rick, this is a great question. I get this a lot. So basically the answer is maybe. A lot of people don't realize that the Department of Motor Vehicles, they do not automatically, let your insurance company know that you got a DWI. What happens is Department of Motor Vehicle charges the insurance company $8 to $10 for every motor vehicle report that they run. And that's why the insurance companies obviously don't go and rerun motor vehicle reports on every, person they insure. They'd go broke. So the good news is that they may not find it. And what I always tell people, I say, look, just continue paying your premiums, make sure you don't get any more accidents, and there's a good possibility they'll never find it. The downside is that if they do, it's kind of like an IRS audit. So if you're an unlucky person, if and when they do, they're going to cancel you. And you're going to be looking at rates anywhere from 2 to 3 times higher than what you're paying right now. What I always tell people is if you do get caught with a DWI, if you've got a car with full coverage on there, maybe possibly look to get rid of that car and get yourself what I call a beater for a few years, because the insurance on a beater is going to be half of what it would be if you had a, coverage on a 2019 BMW. Bottom line, suck it up for a couple of years, get your insurance costs under control, and then treat yourself to a nice car in a couple of years after that DWI falls off your record.
If you have an insurance question you want answered, email Gordon at QuintonInsurance.com. That's Gordon, Gordon, at QuintonInsurance.com, and it just might be featured in an upcoming episode. Thanks for tuning in to Ask the Expert, brought to you by the Quinton Insurance Protection Team. Get your free no-obligation quote now at QuintonInsurance.com or call 1-800-454-1970. For Gordon, I'm Rick. And remember, insurance sucks until you need it. Talk to you next time.